How to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. Firstly, open your settings application on your iPhone device. Then scroll all the way down until you see the accessibility. There is a section called Face ID and Attention. Just click on it. Turn off the require attention for Face ID by putting in the passcode, and after waiting 20 to 30 seconds, come back and turn it back on. If the issue has still not been fixed, click on the General section of the Settings application and simply click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose the option of Reset All Settings. This will erase all of the data from the iPhone device. Now we can go back to Face ID and passcode. Turn off all of these toggles seen on the screen. Wait 20 to 30 seconds and come back and turn it back on. And that's it. This is how you can fix your Face ID not working on iPhone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.